Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agrimath Research Company, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete a specific text from a cell in Excel. So as you can see here, I have some text, and let's say I want to delete something specific from them. So I don't want them to be a whole to be fully deleted, and I just want to make some specific edits on them. So the easiest and the first way is to go to Find and Select option in Editing segment in Home tab. Okay, so I click on that and go to Replace, and then so let's say I want to delete this Smith from William Smith cell. Okay, so find what Smith. It's already written in my window, and so you will have this one because I was recording before this film. It was written, so I'm going to write Smith. Okay, and replace with, I don't want it to be replaced with anything. I want it to be replaced with a free space, so it's Smith and replace with nothing. So there's nothing to be replaced with. I press replace all, and you can see Smith is now deleted in here. So it's just William. Another way is to use a substitute function. So let's say I want to make a similar edit in here. I go to, I press equal mark, then I write substitute. I double click on that, and then it wants the text. So my text is here. I put a comma, the old text. So my old text is, first you should put quotation mark, then I go for writing Smith, and then new text is nothing. So I just put a double quotation. I close the parentheses, and you can see that Smith is now deleted from William. So you can do this for any part that you can see here, for any cell that you can see here. So I go for substitute, and then select my text, the old text. Let's say I want to delete AM from William. Then I put a comma, and then put a free quotation mark, and then that's deleted. Another way to do that is to go through replace function. So replace function needs the position of the character to be replaced, and the thing that the characters that are going to be replaced with them. Okay, so in here I go for typing replace, then it wants the old text, of course, is this one, and then starting number. So that's the starting number of the characters to be deleted. Okay, so if I go for deleting AM again, the starting number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I go for writing 6. Then it wants the number of characters. I want to delete AM. It's 1 and 2. So there's 2 characters, and new text is nothing. So I close the parentheses, and you can see the exact same result. I can do that in here also. It's a little bit, hard, and I prefer to use substitute, but let's see. So I want the old text, this one. Starting number, I want to delete Smith. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the space. 9 is the starting point, which is S character. So there's 9. And then number of characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. then the new text is simply nothing. I close the parentheses and you can see the exact same result. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to AgriMathSoft channel. I will see you in the next video and bye.